with his drive. I fell in love with just how inspirational he is without even trying.
How to be brave.
This man just saved me from a bullet.
Now I'm completely dependent on the wheelchair.
I went through 8 rounds of chemotherapy. He never wanted to leave my side. He accepted me for me.
All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Good.
One step closer.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
Who is in our pool?
What took you so long? I've been waiting! Hey.
OMG. It's David Tutera.
Smile. Oh, that was awesome!
What are you doing here?
Did you order a wedding cake or did you order lunch?
We ordered lunch, but
All right, okay, I'm here because I'm going to plan and design your wedding. Hi. We're here to give you the wedding of your dreams. Your fairy tale will now become a reality.
I feel so just happy.
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
This is where you float. All that stuff you went through as a kid, this is your walking away from it.
It's like the stuff that nobody goes through that really determined for me and my soul that she was the person I was going to be with for the rest of my life.
I am the luckiest man in the world, and I cannot wait for you to be my wife.
I'm really, honestly, seriously, so proud of you.
Thank you. She kind of changed my life too.